It's raining. So chickens aren't too happy, but they're coming running because they think mommy has treats. So, hi. I don't have any treats. No, I didn't bring any down. No. Cosmo, my little chicken herder. I didn't need her that close, wise guy. They don't like the rain, but they're hiding. Gonna check for some eggies and see how that goes. Maybe, hopefully we get something. Has anybody else been really upset about the whole Tractor Supply food situation? It sucks. You gotta go hunt all over everywhere else. Walmart's been out of stock most of the time with chicken food. That's where I usually get it because Tractor Supply sucks now. I guess they only wanted to use one nesting box.